like you. Tell Brit to leave me alone. Simple as that, come in and trouble Brit. Ask Brit if I ever come on her page, come provoke her. I never provoke Brit yet. And constantly, me see this mischievous girl, I look problem with me. I don't know how push the narrative say. Me delusional, and me this and me that. Now go tell me say my bad mind, and my heart not clean. Now go tell me say Brit admire me. But every time Brit come for my life, every single body can say Brit always disrespect me. No stop come over here with people name and stop talk like say I'm crazy. I'm not crazy. And I'm not silly either. I'm tired of Una. Leave me alone. Every day you come with the same thing. Every day you come. Me never go permit live yet and bring down Brit. Never. Nobody can ever say me ever go permit live and bring her down. And belittle her and say nothing shady to her. She always do it to me. And because me no want to talk to the girl, who not go tell me say me have dirty heart and me bad mind and me this and me that. Me not want Brit, no, you know, Brit is not my child. I don't have no kids. Brit is not my child. And if somebody disrespects somebody so much, it is only right. Thank you, Demon Skull. It is only right for you to distance yourself from them because I not disrespect the girl. But she disrespect me and me for take it and Una go come and tell me say I have dirty her because she like up my stuff them. And even add me upon my live day before yesterday. Or yesterday she add me. Try to add me upon the live. And come on for the live. And now go tell me say the girl no see me. I'm a this, I'm a that, I'm a delusional, I'm a for black her. Do you guys actually know that Brit is blocked from my main page? I don't know that. I'ma block you. Keisha Cole. Yeah man, come on for this. The whole I wanna need to come on for my page. Yes, come on for my page now. Now come over here. Brit is blocked from my main page. I mean, I walk and block nobody. If you cannot accept that, me no want a friendship from you and you need to leave me alone, me I gonna make you leave me alone. Me no need to go out and wait for you black somebody or me no friends with. Me you not chat, no come on my page. Don't come on my live. Don't try to add me on live. Me explain to you, say, me and you know depend that you disrespect me multiple times, bring me down, have people a laugh off of me and a come me down. And if anybody can remember this, you know, Brit did come on social media the first time. For 40 days and 40 nights, bring me down on social media, you know, before you whole I wouldn't know Brit, you know. A lot of people don't know this, you know. But bring me down for 40 blood clot days and 40 nights, brother. Because the girl come for me live and disrespect me for the first time I'm the black car because it's like from them time they realize that the girl across them. They tell them they don't even know who is this person. The girl come for my page and say something to me. I'm a black car. And she come on TikTok and bring me down on my black car because she said something about my house. But we are talking about my house for. And you see after that how the girl come with her obsession thing again. She come and she comes until she beg my friend and she come and me go up on her life. And you see how the girl bring me down. I come in for me ear. So she start from the house, right? Look how in the house, nice and decent. She a talk about AC and I talk about all sort of things in my place. Like she ready, I make my things them in here, right? She come then, she see me with my little ketchup style. Your head want to. Your head want to. Me never disrespect her, me put her in her place. I don't want to say this girl have clean heart and this girl have this and this girl. This girl is fake. And that's how most of the Jamaican people stay no fake. I don't want people to laugh up with you when you know so you don't like people. So I don't want me to do that too. Me not do it. Me not doing it. Me not fake with people. Me not run fake this joke with nobody. Me not fake with nobody at all. If you are going to disrespect me and I go straight me not want to have nothing to do with you. She talk about it here and me tell her in peace of my mind. Me never disrespect her. Me just tell her saying I have no right for you to talk about me here. You don't know my situation. You come and talk about me here. Me distance myself from her. right? Me see people come bring me down, say my ear want do for true. Anybody know me know say me do my ear every 2 weeks. Me no do my ear for my earstyle him not serve too long in my head. Me always I do my ear. Ever. Every 2 weeks Jade see me. Every now and then Shan see me for my brain. Me not really keeping hairstyle too long. That's on it. Anyways, pass off from that ear argument now. When you see me come now, she apologized. And she the same bring down something. Your body big. And people keep on telling me I'm big for true, but that is body shaming. And if she did do it to somebody else, uno would have said she wrong. But because it's me, uno feel like say she right. Uno stop come over here. Me not trouble her. Stop come on my page. Stop come and tell her say I don't want to talk back to her. I don't want no friendship. Uno leave me alone. Me like my peace, guys. I deserve peace. Me deserve peace, guys. You don't notice I'm the only person that will ever disrespect me upon live it. Between she and one other little boy. But me not really take him serious like that still. But she I want to go to her way for say certain things. And she says sorry and she come back and she say no give and she come back by your page. Because she knows there are toxic cult